Good morning student. Today we are going to start next chapter, sports competition. In this lesson we study about the sports game, which game we have played in school and at home. So we discuss in this lesson only about two games, Kho-Kho and Kabaddi, which games are playing in a school ground, and their games, all games have their own rules and regulations and which things we have to carry with when we are going to play. So the all things related to the play we discuss in this class. So first in this lesson, with the starting of the any play, firstly we should preparation for the ground management and other material things management. So in this lesson is about a girl with this group holding the program, organizing, and their school, Neelam's school, a girl name is Neelam, in her school the play organizing panchayat level sports competition was going to be organizing, and the school's headmaster goes to divided work on the group of teachers, and the teachers, every class teachers subdivided group of children, group of students for management the play. So the group all organize what group doing for water supplying and which group help for the seating arrangement. So all group are divided by the school teacher. And before starting the game, I have to question to you all that which game have you played, which you like. So you write down in your notebook. And then for which sports do you require ground of specific dimension? For football, for kabaddi, and for Kho-Kho they required. So first we discuss about the kabaddi ground. In this kabaddi ground, the both side of the kabaddi player have 7 player in this side and 7 player in that side, and the kabaddi's ground length is 13 meter and width is 10 meters. So this is the structure of the kabaddi ground, and both side of 7 players, and this line is called middle line, and this is the touch line, and when the opposite player come to the another side and touch this line and go to their side, so he get bonus, because this line called a bonus line. So if both side they are exit of the bonus line, and one player of the another team come for the playing in the another group of kabaddi player, and he reciting continue without break the breathing that kabaddi, 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 and touch this middle line, and when first he should to touch this line, touch line, and then attack on this group. If anybody touched by the opponent, they will out, and if the all are catch the opponent player, then he become out. So this is the is about kabaddi player and kabaddi ground. And now we discuss about the kabaddi's rules. What rule we should have in kabaddi? The player given the turn will utter kabaddi, kabaddi without releasing his breath. Okay? When any player of side, when enter the opposite side, he continue repeat the kabaddi, kabaddi. If he stop to speaking kabaddi, then he become out. The player has to cross the touch line or else the player will be considered out. Cross the touch line if he enter in this another opposite side and he touch the anybody and come to this middle line and touch, if the finger also touch the middle line, then the touching person will be out. Next line is the bonus line. Crossing it by one leg with the another leg lifted even a little bit in air will earn additional 1 point. This called bonus line. If the player touch this line with the one leg and the another leg was some above on some in the no, don't putting this on the field with the earned leg lifted a little bit in air, so he earned additional point. During this, the number of player of the opponent team the player touches and then is able to cross the middle line, those many points will be earned by the player team. If the player is caught and fails to reach the middle line, the player will be considered out and points will be given to the opponent team. The player who are out in Kabaddi will come back to after group the same order in which they were out. After 20 minutes, there will be break of 10 minutes and after the break of the game will continue for 20 more minutes. The team that earns more points will be winner. If this team gets more points comparison to this team, then its team got the prize and winner. Okay, so it is about Kabaddi play. Then we discuss about the Kho-Kho play. In the Kho-Kho play, first in the Kho-Kho play, the player must number have be 12 players. 12 player play in this game. 9 player are sitting in the circle just like, and 3 player will stand and save by this rotation. You all know about Kho-Kho. The 2 pillars are stand and with the help of this their player are not crossing this way, but the opponent player will be cross this line and run this way. So it is about Kho-Kho play. And when the school will be start, then we play Kho-Kho in our school, so you understand better. In this Kho-Kho play, the boundary should length with 34 meters and the width of the ground of 10 meters or 16 meters. So it is about Kho-Kho player. I think it's enough for you. And next is, what material would you require for this? If any play organized in school and other, so which material we have to collect? So just like material chalk, first aid kit, tables, chairs, result chart, foam file of players, sitting stools for spectators, whistle, etc. They made arrangement for drinking water too. Children's group were divided into 2 parts according to the 2 games, and Neelam was making the arrangement of the Kabaddi field. Okay, so we heard the first aid kit. What is first aid kit? You look at in first aid kit is the picture of first aid kit, and in this first aid kit we put some material related to the medicine. That name already I mentioned on the blackboard, that antiseptic wash, Dettol, bandage, scissors, gloves, tape, sting and bite treatment, all are putting in the first aid kit. So student, you can make first aid kit at your home and try to draw this picture. Okay. After that, we already study that rules of Kabaddi. Before playing any game, we need some rules for this play. So we already discussed about the rules of Kabaddi and Kho-Kho, and then now we discuss about the what give us by playing. What we give? Sportsman spirit. What is the sportsman spirit? The spirit of sportsman is the nature of help. If any player, if our team or the opponent team, if anyone got injured, then we try to help him with the first aid kit, and any possible with help we try to help. So in this playing Kabaddi, children, you look at this picture, the one player got injured, then the opponent team player also come with him and give him treatment. So team members, this is a emotional feeling for the all members to help each other, and if one of your friend got in trouble, so you should try to help him. Okay. Then second word is entertainment along with sports. With sports, with the sports we only taking rules, management, all things, but with the sports we also get entertainment. When the play was end, then all the members together and organize cultural program. In cultural program, we can say that singing program, group singing and solo singer and solo dance and the dramas, all are performed after the playing. So it's entertainment also belong to sports. And then finally is learning by playing. What we learn by playing? So with the playing we learn the helping nature and the dismiss our narrow-minded thinking with the discrimination, any related to any sports any sports player with any belong to caste and status, we should don't discriminate with each and every. So the injured person tell to Neelam and Arif that we cook food with each other, serve food each other, we without any sense of discrimination. So we all should have don't discrimination thinking with the any person. And if you go to the sports competition, which activities will you do? You help all the sports players, you try to sitting arrangement like sitting arrangement, water distribution. So all are you doing activities in the sports. Okay. And in this lesson what we learned? We learned some things. You write down in your book that games and sports are necessary for good health, and every game has its own rules. Preparation is required for organizing games and sports. For this, planning is required to be done. We remain healthy by playing games. Through games and sports, qualities like cooperation, leadership, brotherhood, etc. are developed. So we learned all these things in this game. So thank you, students.